Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about that who was responsible for all this mischief. Okay, we have some hints here that we come to know that Cleve was responsible for this mischief, and now Cleve is going to tell us what really happened. Okay. There's a whole tribe of ladies in the drawing room, he volunteered. I carried my tea into the summer house. Have you bunked too? I don't blame you. You're looking down in the mouth, both of you. Exams gone wrong this afternoon? Shall I tell your fortunes again? So, now Cleve is telling Marvis and Merle that there's a whole tribe of ladies in the drawing room जहाँ पे ये गए थे, and there was, when they came from the school and they saw that the whole drawing room was full of ladies, he volunteered, he told them. Okay, I carried my tea into the summer house. Now Cleve is telling them that I carried my tea into the summer house. Have you bunked too? Have you bunked too means have you too left the drawing room and went to the summer house? Okay, क्या आपने drawing room जो है वो bunk किया and you came into the summer house? Have you bunked too? I don't blame you means I don't blame you for this. For what? For all this mischief that has happened. For all this problem that has happened. You are looking down in the mouth, both of you. So, both of you are looking down. Both of you are very sad. Looking down in the mouth means very sad, upset. Exams gone wrong this afternoon. Exams, have you done? Have you not performed well in the exams? Shall I tell your fortunes again? Shall I tell you what is your fortune again? Because he has already told them their so-called fortune. It was not fortune, but he was already aware about that. Your precious fortune has got us into a great deal of trouble, answered Merle. Now, what Merle is telling her that whatever you have told us, then that in the glass, you hold that glass before you and told us that this question will come in the examination. Okay. So that fortune has led us into a great deal of trouble. It has put us in the trouble, answered Merle. How did you manage to guess those questions? They were actually in our papers. So, how did you manage? आपने कैसे how was it possible for you to guess those questions? How have you done this? Okay, they were actually in our papers. Cleve pulled his face into a variety of grimaces. Grimaces means a facial expression of disgust. And when he heard this, there was an expression of disgust on his face. Into a variety, he pulled his face. Pulled means he changed his face into a variety of grimaces. There was a sign of disgust on his face. What does disgust mean? Disgust means a feeling of strong disapproval. Okay. You young wretch, cried Merle, chasing him down the path as he fled. She took her hands from her pockets to catch hold of him, and as she did so, out flew a penknife onto the grass. Cleve pounced upon it immediately and picked it up. So now what Merle is telling him, you young wretch. Wretch means what? Wretch means unhappy person, one who makes you unhappy, unfortunate person. Okay, now she's, जैसे हम गाली देते हैं किसी को या बुरा बोलते हैं किसी को, तो इसी तरह इसने बोला you young wretch, cried Merle, chasing him down the path as he fled. So she ran before him and he fled. He fled from. The fled means to run away. Okay, she took her hands from her pockets to catch hold of him. She took her hands from the jersey pockets and she tried to catch hold of him, and as she did so, out flew a penknife onto the grass. And when she did this, there was a penknife in her jersey pocket. What is a penknife? A penknife is a small knife with a blade which folds into the handle. Okay, the penknife, when you see this nail cutter में usually ऐसी knife होती है, ठीक है? So that's penknife. So there flew a penknife onto the grass. Cleve pounced upon it immediately and picked it up. Cleve jumped over that knife and he picked that up. I have been looking for this everywhere, he declared. So Cleve told Marley that he has been looking for this knife everywhere, but he didn't found it anywhere. How did it get inside my pocket? Asked Marley. I never put it there. So कि मेरे pocket में कैसे आ गई? I never put it there in jersey pockets. Cleve exclaimed Mavis. So Mavis is with the exclamation of what? Anger. There's an anger in her face, and there's a feeling of that sadness in her. Sadness. Okay. Cleve exclaimed Mavis. With a sudden flash of intuition, did you wear Marley's jersey yesterday? I remember she found it wet. I verily believe you dressed up in her clothes and went to school. So now Mavis is telling Cleve with a flash of intuition. So इसको दिमाग में आया कि actually हुआ क्या था. With a flash of intuition. Intuition means a strong feeling or belief. Strong feeling उसको आ रही थी अंदर से. इसको ये भरोसा था. इसको यही से बोला. तो अब क्या हुआ? अब माविस ने इसको क्या बोला? यही से बोला कि क्या हुआ था. Cleve exclaimed Mavis with a sudden flash of intuition. So there was a sudden flash of belief in her heart. What was it? Did you wear Marley's jersey yesterday? क्या तुमने Marley की jersey कल पहनी थी? I remember she found it wet. ये गीली थी. आपको याद होगा कि जब मैंने आपको बोला था कि Marley की जो टी-शर्ट थी वो क्या थी? Wet थी. I remember she found it wet. I verily believe you dressed up in her clothes. I strongly believe that you dressed up in her clothes and went to school. Okay, so you dressed up in her clothes and you went to school, and Sybil and other these schoolmates disguised you as Marley. Okay. For answer, Cleve burst into fits of laughter. And what was the answer of Cleve? He bursted into the fits of laughter. He laughed loudly. Oh, it was stopping. Okay, I think we should stop here. Tomorrow we will continue it again. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.